Alright, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to be putting an ESR tempered glass screen protector onto my iPhone 13 mini. Now before I get into this, ESR sent me this for free in exchange for an honest review video, so there is my transparency bit out of the way. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to pop this open and let's have a look at what is inside it. So inside the box we've got 3 sets of cleaning kits, we've got 3 tempered glass screen protectors specifically designed for the iPhone 13 mini. Then also we have got one of those frames here as well, and this is very important because it means that it is super easy to apply the screen protector. And we also have this installation guide, but we can ignore that for now because in this video I'm the guide. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is to put the frame over the phone. Now if we have a quick look here at the underside of the frame, hopefully we can get focus here and see that there is a lip that runs all the way through the frame here. Well, that helps to actually sit on top of the phone. And then also we've got like these little notches or these little sticky out bits here. Now these help to grip the phone as well. So simply all we do here is just place the frame over the phone and then just gently push down on it. Now we might hear it click on, I'm not too sure, let's see. Okay, yeah, so there's a slight little click there. Now also, don't worry about this frame. It will not mark the phone up. It can't damage the case or anything like that. I've applied tons of these and they've always been fine. Now the next thing I'm going to do is open up one of these cleaning kits and let's have a look at what's inside. So first out of the cleaning kit here is a dust removal sticker. What happens is this is used to basically dab off any excess dust at that last moment just before you apply the screen protector. However, I never have any success with these, but it is up to you if you want to use this or not. And then we've got a wet wipe here which we use to clean the screen on the phone, and then this microfiber cleaning cloth will help us to dry the screen on the phone. Now just before I go any further, I will show you what we need to do with the screen protector as it goes down. What it is, we have a little sticker here on the screen protector, and as we pull it, what we will notice is that it'll start pulling against some cellophane. What it is, that cellophane is protecting the side of the screen protector which goes down over the phone. So the last thing we do is to pull that back and then pull the cellophane off and then drop it onto the phone. Now also what we should be able to notice at the top edge of the screen protector, there's a little notch on it here. Well, that little notch will line up with the actual earpiece notch here on the phone itself. So just remember to place it down that way over. Okay, so what I'm going to do here now is get right in there with this little wet wipe cleaning cloth, and that will help to take any gunk or anything that's on the screen. However, what I would recommend here is that you basically do this as soon as you've got your phone, get a screen protector for it, and then that way you shouldn't be having to, like, you know, clean off too much off the screen anyway, and the screen should be in relatively good condition. Okay, well, as far as I'm concerned, I have sufficiently cleaned and wiped that enough there with the wet wipe. So now it's time for the microfiber cleaning cloth to dry up the cleaning fluid that we've just put on the phone's screen. Now just get right into the corners here, make sure you get everything out of the corners. Now what will happen, the fluid that we've just put onto the screen, it would naturally just evaporate off. However, if we leave any of it into the corners, despite the fact it will evaporate at some point, what will happen here if we're not careful, it will kind of like not allow the glass to stick properly into the corners. So like I say, make sure as you're drying it, you properly go into the corners. Now I'm going to say that that is good enough there. That seems bone dry and I don't seem to have any gunk or any fluid anywhere. And so now to apply the screen protector, so pull the piece from underneath and then just line up the notch with the top end of the phone up there, and then let the protector drop down on its own here. Now just let it go down and it'll fall into place there. Now run your finger through the middle like this and it will help part that bubble that is actually in front of it. And then what you will find there, it's actually it's gone on great. Now let me just give it a little bit of a wipe and clean up to the edges and stuff. Let's see how this has gone on. Okay, so I was just gonna say there, look at this, I'm getting really good at putting screen protectors on. Look at this, it's perfect. But the simple fact here is that these ESR ones with these frame guide things, They're just so easy to put on, so I can't really compliment myself on this, although I have had a lot of practice with using the ESR ones. But as you can see there, hopefully you can see that that's just gone on perfect. There are absolutely no bubbles in there, no imperfections, anything. That is absolutely spot on. Okay, so there we go then, the ESR tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 13 mini. There will be links below in the description which will take you to Amazon to where you can get hold of these tempered glass screen protectors. Also there'll be links there as well for the iPhone and also a bunch of other Apple stuff. If you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel and getting all over that bell notification icon. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.